Hello beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna talk to you about hydrating serums. So if you're curious, please keep on watching. When the season changes, our skin needs change as well. Right now we're going into winter, and most of the time we change our skincare as well. The biggest issue, or let's say problem, it's putting a heavier moisturizer, which yes, it can be helpful sometimes, but what you want to do is to apply hydrating product, and there is nothing better like hydrating serums, boosters, repair. Those are the items which I use. I'm gonna go over them, give you a short description, and tell you if they are worth buying or not. If you want something hydrating on a budget and it's gonna do the job, it's the Hada Labo. That's their Hada Labo Anti-Aging Hydrator with Hyaluronic Acid, Collagen, and Retinol Complex. Comes in a container with a pump. And yes, I already used 2 of them. Besides having a jelly consistency, it will hydrate your skin. You're getting 1.7 ounce, which is 50 ml, and that's a lot for a hydrating product. So yes, I do like it, I'm recommending. And you know what, you cannot really go wrong with this item. Staying on the same boat, we have Vichy, that's their Aqualia Thermal Serum. This one is for dehydrated skin. What is it? It's like a milky serum, which you're gonna apply after you clean your face, but before your moisturizer. So this one's gonna give you that extra layer of hydration. And yes, I do like it as well. So in case if you cannot find the Hada Labo, check the Vichy one because it's worth as well. Also from the same brand, I have their Mineral 89. That's their fortifying formula or skin fortifying daily booster. It has many minerals and hydrating ingredients. Some people, they use it as a moisturizer, but you can easily use it as a booster, or it's a serum. So similarly, apply after you clean your face, but before you apply your moisturizer. Also, what you can do, if you like to layer, let's say you wash your face, put a hydrating mist, apply the serum, put a hydrating mist, and then your moisturizer. That's another way how you can layer up your skincare. And talking about the mist, that's Pixi Milky Mist with hyaluronic acid and oat extract. It's very gentle. I went through many bottles of it. The thing which I do like, it hydrates your skin right away, and also it has a nice spray bottle. It's one of those things which you cannot go wrong with. From the drugstore, I have the Loreal Hyaluronic Acid, that's their 1.5%. And yes, it has a jelly consistency. Hyaluronic acid, it holds moisture inside your skin. So yes, it's gonna help it. However, you wanna apply moisturizer on top of it. This one you can use all the time, morning and evening. Now they also come up with a stronger version. That's their Ampoules, which yes, it is an actual ampoule, which you break it, use half of it, and then the other half for the next time. This is supposed to last you for 7 days because it's a little bit stronger. This is 1.5, this is 1.9%. So this is like your boost. Let's say if your skin is really dry, you need something, or maybe you have a big occasion coming up and you need to, let's say, plump your skin, make it supple and juicy and looking good. That's when you want to give a try for this item. Another product from a drugstore is the NEUTROGENA Hydra Boost. That's their serum, or I should say hyaluronic acid with suspended vitamin E. This thing, it's wonderful. When my skin doesn't look so good and it's really tight, this one, it do the magic. Similarly, but from the higher shelf, is the CLINIQUE Moisture Surge. Yeah, Moisture Surge. So this one comes in a similar bottle, but it's pink. And yes, it costs a little bit more because it's a CLINIQUE. So the drugstore version is gonna be NEUTROGENA. Another French brand, it's Avin. That's a small sample of their intense Rehydrating Serum. Even though it states it's a serum, it has a consistency of a cream. So yes, I did have a sample and I like it so much that yes, I will buy a full size. Since I was talking about hyaluronic acid, that's Paulas Choice Hyaluronic Acid Booster with ceramide. Comes with a pump bottle. You get half ounce, which is 15 ml. This you can easily use it on its own or mix it with your moisturizer. For example, in here you have another hyaluronic acids. I would say it's up to you which one you want to go with, or let's say which one is on sale, but the texture of all of them is similar. It's a jelly. Yeah, it's a gel, it's a clear gel which you're gonna apply on your skin. Sticking with the gels, we have Hyadraluron from Indeed Lab, facial moisture boosting serum containing one of purest form of hyaluronic acid. So like the other one were coming in a containers, this one comes in a tube, so it's travel friendly, and yes, it does the job. There are many available ingredients which is gonna hydrate your skin and make it look way better. Let's say like aloe, bee pollen, snail serum. Yeah, snail serum. This one, it's from MISSHA. That's their snail ampoule. Restores the damaged skin barrier. Ampoule made of snail slime. Concentrate restores the damaged skin barrier. And yes, it does, because when I overuse my retinols, my skin was in a good shape and this product was wonderful. So yes, for sure I'm gonna buy another bottle. Sticking with MISSHA, I have their bee pollen ampoule. So let's say if you like the effects of snail slime but you're not into slime, bee pollen, it's a wonderful alternative. But it's not only bee pollen. Let's say Manuka honey, it's great as well. Product which I've been using for years is the Advanced Night Repair. That's their little brown bottle. Advanced Night Repair Recovery Complex, which you're gonna use it at night, and it's gonna repair your skin while you sleep. And yes, it will provide hydration. Because this product been on the market for so long, many other companies, they come up with their own versions. So that's brown bottle from Estee, Lancome, they come up with their Genifique, and MISSHA, they have their own version as well. That's their Night Repair Science Activator Ampoule. So let's say that was the closest dupe. However, now they change as well. And the newest package, it's lighter, it's more of a pink, and have probiotics. The last hydrating serum which I have, it's from Indeed Lab. That's their hydration booster for dehydrated skin with niacinamide, and besides glycerin, hyaluronic acid, aloe, bee pollen, I should say honey, niacinamide, it's another good ingredient which is worth looking into it. So that's the way how it comes. It's a milky serum, and yes, similarly as with the other ones, you're gonna apply before you put your moisturizer on. Okay, that was my overview of the product, I should say hydrating serums and boosters which I use and are worth recommending. Hopefully this video was informative, and I see you next time. Bye.